This video will show you how to replace a transmission output speed sensor on a Subaru Outback. This will be located under the vehicle along the driver's side of your transmission. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the transmission output speed sensor along the driver's side of the transmission. We're going to start with disconnecting our electrical connector. It has a locking tab. Go ahead and squeeze that in and pry this out of place. A quick inspection for corrosion and we'll set that aside. Now we can start removing the sensor itself from the transmission. Obviously you want to make sure that the area is cleaned prior to removing the sensor so nothing makes its way into the transmission. We'll use a 10mm for the mounting bolt. Now that we have the bolt out, we'll just go ahead and give this a little wiggle. You may find that a tiny bit of fluid comes out of here, so we have our collection receptacle under here. And there it is, friend. Now obviously you can wait as long as necessary for the fluid to continue draining out. I'm just going to make sure I clean up the mounting area. We'll use a glove finger and coat the sealing O-ring with some of our transmission fluid and slide this into place. Okay. Once you have it started in, go ahead and snug it up, and I'm going to torque that to 60 inch-pounds. Let's just double check, make sure it's secured, and confirm you cannot see any of your sealing O-ring hanging out of this area. That will become an issue. Assuming it looks good, go ahead and clean up your mess, and we'll continue on with our electrical connector. Press it in, listen for an audible click, give it a light tug confirming it's properly secured in place. Okay Frank, we finished replacing our transmission output speed sensor. The next thing you'll do is make your way out from under the vehicle. Start the vehicle, take it for a road test, and confirm everything functions as it should. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.